Hello everyone. How are you? Happy Wednesday. I am going to do a repeat of last Wednesday since my recorder stopped recording. Anyways, so this is the principle of design movement. So I'm going to teach you how to use this art principle called movement to help you create new cards. Okay, so before though I get started and everything, have these art lessons been helpful to you? Is this something you like? I'm always, I come up with these great ideas to do videos, but then I want to know, are you guys, is this something y'all want? All right, so just tell me in the comments, yay or nay, if you like these art lessons. And, oh, who am I? My name's Kristina Reese, and this is my channel, Creating with Kristina, or my Facebook page, wherever you are. And I help card makers get over their creativity block by using the art lessons that I was taught to help you become better card makers, improve your card making skills. So, so that's who I am and that's what I do. Another thing before I get started though, I have the cutest earrings on today. Can y'all see these? Okay. So my friend Melissa, she sells Origami Owl, and I just wanted to give out a shout out for her. I also got this cute, can you see the little cat and the pumpkin and the little word boo? These are little charm lockets. They're so fun. You put all these different charms in it. Anyways, Origami Owl, her name's Melissa. So her website is melissasstory.origamiOwl.com. Anyways, just thought I'd give you a shout out. Hey, good morning, Kim. Good morning. Oh, I'm glad you like these lessons, Kim. Great. And Nancy, hello. All right, so let's get on with it. The first part of art lessons is just learning the different principles. And I've done quite a few series so far. I've done the principle of balance, the principle of contrast, the principle of emphasis, the principle of unity, and now we're working on the principle of movement. And then we use the elements like color and lines and shapes, things like that, to we use these things to do the art, to get into the principles of art. And I'm not, my words are all kind of scrambled. I probably should write this out so I'm speaking more clearly. But anyways, we are going to do movement, and I'm going to show you how to use the principle of movement using color, line, and shape today. All right, so that's what we're doing. Make sure I haven't forgotten anything. All right. Let me switch over to my card. So, movement. Movement is just having your viewer, the person who's looking at your art, whether it's a painting or the design of a house, landscaping. So art is found in a lot of different places. We are talking about card making though. So the art of card making, and we want to have some movement. We want to take the viewer's eye and direct it to a place. Now, emphasis is pretty easy. You take a big focal point, such as in this card, I have a focal point. I have some emphasis here. I have all these beautiful leaves. And so your eye goes right there. That's movement, moving my eye to this. But I really want my viewer to see this hello. So I'm using the principle of movement with the element of line. And this is the line right here. So you see a lot of cards with this strip across it with the sentiment there. And people are going, they use that because they think it looks so pretty, but they don't realize what's really going on. It's a principle that your eye is going to follow lines, okay? And first you see this cluster of beautiful leaves, and then the line takes you over to hello. So that's the principle of movement with line. Let's look at it with color. Here's a card. So this card has a, it's not a rainbow, it's a, what am I trying to say? Variegated color. Nope, there's another word. Ombre. There we go, an ombre effect. I was like, my brain. Humans read from, English reads from left to right. Okay, not all languages are left to right, but English is. And so we automatically go to this side of the card. And so we see this really dark, in this case, Cajun craze. Well, color is going to cause our eye to come down this from dark to light. It's also value, using value and using color. All right, and it brings you over here to the thank you. So that is using the principle of movement with color. One more principle, and that is movement of shapes. And I'm actually going to make a card with you this time. Okay. Now, last week I was making all the cards, but I thought, to speed up the card, because I would really love to get these videos under 15 minutes. The first thing we have are our pieces here. So I have a card base, and it's just 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then I have a layer, and this is from our plaid tidings. And if you noticed, I've been using plaid tidings for my fall cards. They've got some very, like, you don't usually think of pink and burgundy as fall, but and blue, baby blue, but it works, doesn't it? It's cool. All right, so we're just going to tape this layer on, just 4 by 5 1/4. Okay, and then pulling the colors from the plaid, I'm going to do the rest of the pieces here. So there's our card base. Now I have the two, I'm going to do circle layers, and this is from our stitched shapes. There you go. And this is from our layered circles, the scallop. And the sentiment I'm using from, oh, I didn't even show you the stamp set I've been using. So this is the stamp set, Love of Leaves, which has some great sentiments. Hello, thank you, hope changes everything. So a really nice encouragement card if you've got it to anybody you need to encourage or you'd like to encourage. And then these really cool dies. Are these just awesome? So they're stitched leaves, and then you can put the center in if you want to. Let me pull this out. Well, here you can see here. So you could just cut out a leaf, stamp it and cut it out, or you can also put the stitches inside also. So cool, huh? The veins. And so that's what these three are. And I'll pull these up. I did put the veins in here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. Whoa, where is my camera? There it is. Oh yeah, you can see those veins beautifully. Isn't that cool? Awesome. All right, let's stamp. And I'm using the sentiment, I thought of you today. I thought of you today. And I'm using the Mango Melody here. I'm sorry, Melon Mambo. Hold on. Melon Mambo, yes. This is. And of course it's upside down. Melon Mambo. Yay. All right, we're going to layer these two circles together. Okay. Oh, now this is the fun part. Hey, good morning, Colleen. Good morning, Teresa. This ribbon, oh heavens. This is in our snowflake bundle suite. Isn't that pretty? But it goes great with this seaside spray. All right, so the way I do this is I take a piece of ribbon. Make sure I have it long enough. Yeah. Oops, get out of the way. And let's get up in the camera. Okay. All right, so I have a piece long enough, and I'm just going to put that right in the center there, just like that. Oh, make sure I'm... Nope, sorry. You need to make sure your sentiment, your ribbon is going the right way for the sentiment. Okay, and I'm doing it at an angle so I can put my sentiment closer to this side. There we go. There we go. All right, so I have it like that. Now, I take a finger's width and I just flip it over like that. Whoops, get in the camera. Okay, and then I take a finger's width over here. And I haven't taken it off the spool yet, but that's okay. I'll do that in just a sec. And this is just a quick, easy way to attach ribbon to your card. And no bow making, no fancy stuff, just a little ribbon on the back of your sentiment. That sentiment didn't quite get centered on that circle. That's all right. Okay, so now we have this part all done. The next part is to create the movement. So oh, well, that's not wanting to stay. Let me get some more. adhesive on there. Oops. There we go. Get some dimensionals here. Okay. All right. Oh, I wanted to mention to you all also, today is Stampin' Up's having a flash sale today. Holy cow. So I sent out a newsletter this morning. If you have not checked your email, go to your email. If you're not getting my newsletter, please do so. Just go to my blog or in the description of the YouTube channel, there's a link. But go to my blog, creatingwithkristina.com, and a pop-up will happen for you to sign up for my newsletter if you're not getting them. But if you didn't get it, that's okay. Go to my website, KristinaReese.StampinUp.net, and you will find the flash sale. We're having a 24-hour sale on our stamps, and there's like tons of them, and they're 15% off. Now, let me give you a little hint. If you're a demonstrator, they are 40% off. Because you're getting 20% for being a demonstrator plus the 15. Okay. I'm sorry. What's 25 plus? No. Oh my God, I've lost my brain. 20 plus 15 is 35% off. The way you get 40% off is if you've advanced in rank and you are getting a 25% discount. Oh my heavens. I just need to stop talking while I can. We're having a sale today, you guys, so check it out. And there's some really good stamps. I want to get the, I have a really crazy mother-in-law, or step-mother-in-law, but she's still my mother-in-law. All right, here we go, movement. Sorry, I got to go back to card making here. Oh, thanks, Nancy. We are going to make our leaves fall down our page so you can find the sentiment. Not that you can't find the sentiment with the ribbon, but so we have this leaf falling, okay? And then we have this leaf. Whoa, way too much glue there. Oh, quit moving. And another leaf here, okay? And that's up on the sentiment. And then a third leaf. Let's see, let's put it right there. Yeah. All right. So our leaves are falling down our page. Cool, huh? So this is movement with the shapes. So you're seeing the shapes. You're looking at these really dark leaves. Your eye is drawn to either really bright or really dark. In this case, it's the really dark leaves, and they just bring you right through the sentiment right there. Okay, and so we have this effect of leaves falling. So that is the principle of movement. I showed you, let me show you all three cards again. So we have the principle of movement with line. It moves our eye across. We have the principle of movement with color. We want to follow from dark to light here. And then we have the movement of shape. We've got these three shapes. They're all the same size. They're all the same color. But they're in a different, they're like in a little movement pattern, okay? And they're also leaves, so that gives your brain, your thinking fall leaves, and leaves fall, and they look like they're falling down the page. So that is the principle of movement. I hope you all enjoyed this. I'm at 13 minutes and 50 seconds. I think I did it. Don't forget, let me know in the comments if you like these art lessons that I've been doing, Principles of Design. And also don't forget we have a flash sale. Oh, and if you go over to my shop and you spend more than $50, put in this host code and I will send you a nice little gift in the mail. Other than that, I can't think of anything else. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'm going to go see my mama today. She's getting her stitches out. So, yay, that's that. Okay. Love you guys. Bye-bye.